longtime University of Arkansas professor files a federal lawsuit against the U of A after what he says was a racially motivated termination.
Yeah, he stands accused of using university money on some lavish personal purposes. KNWA's Gabriella Phelan, you've been sifting through this 25-page suit and joining us in studio. What'd you find?
Doug and Allie, Dr. Naja Baptist, a black man who served as director of African and African American Studies at the university, is now facing possible dismissal from his position following a discrimination complaint and a highly disputed internal audit. A tenured professor and director at the University of Arkansas now filing a federal lawsuit against the institution.
Dr. Baptist is a well-respected scholar of black politics, and the insinuation that he's a grifter or a criminal or a thief.
At the core of the 25-page suit is racially motivated retaliation.
The dean and other admins were actually actively digging and trying to find arrest records for my client, and essentially looking for anything they could to try to criminalize him. And so we view that as retaliation.
According to the attorney working the case, Dr. Naja Baptist reported racially hostile remarks made by Fulbright College Dean Brian Raines in early 2025. He says only then was an internal audit launched looking into Dr. Baptist's alleged misuse of university money. In the audit, the university claims more than $48,000 were used on personal ventures, including wedding expenses. But Baptist's attorney says the audit mischaracterizes legitimate research activities as personal expenses with little evidence.
I think the dean saw his opportunity to try to say, oh my gosh, this guy was abusing the system, trying to have his wedding on the university dime. But it's just such a bold claim, and in my opinion, big claims require big evidence. And if there's significant evidence disproving it, and all really of the testimonial evidence we have.
It's the latest situation in a string of high-profile disciplinary cases involving Dean Raines.
The University of Arkansas is really risking turning itself into a backwater institution where, professors don't feel like they're going to get the normal protections of tenure here, or professors feel like they're going to get job offers offered to them and then have them rescinded. It is affecting the way that the University of Arkansas is viewed nationwide.
The university declined to comment on camera, but released a statement saying, quote, "A thorough investigation conducted by University of Arkansas System internal audit concluded that Dr. Baptist had incurred thousands of dollars in travel expenses that lacked documentation as being for a valid business purpose, including in connection with the faculty members' wedding reception and honeymoon." The audit report was recently received by the university's Board of Trustees. A process considering potential dismissal of Dr. Baptist based on the audit findings is underway. Claims by the faculty member that Dean Raines had engaged in discriminatory conduct were previously investigated by the university's Office of Equal Opportunity Compliance in Title IX, consistent with university policy, and determined to be false. Currently, a hearing to appeal the decision is scheduled for May 1st. The Washington County Prosecuting Attorney's Office confirmed that the university has turned their findings over. We're told the matter is currently under investigation. You can read the entire audit online at knwa.com. Doug and Allie, back to you.